Hello students, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn here butterfly method of fraction addition. We have taken here one example, 3 divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 3. So under butterfly method, what we will do, we will cross multiply these two numbers. So 3 times 3 is 9. Then again we'll cross multiply these two numbers. So 4 times 2 is 8. Now we will add 9 and 8 together. Okay. So 9 plus 8 is 17. So we will put 17 in the numerator. And in the denominator, what we will do? We will multiply these two numbers. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So the answer of this addition is 17 divided by 12. So this is the answer. Let us take one more example. 2 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 9. So in the same way, what we'll do here, we'll cross multiply these two numbers. So 9 times 2 is 18. And again we'll cross multiply these two. So 7 times 1 is 7. Now we'll add these two numbers. 18 plus 7 is 25. So we'll put 25 in the numerator. And in the denominator, we will multiply these two numbers. So 7 times 9 is 63. Therefore, this sum is equal to 25 divided by 63. So this is the answer. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe the channel for more such video in future. Thank you everybody for your patience hearing.